Hello everyone, welcome to my channel AJ Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you're interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest one of the best websites where you can trade globally in crypto. Please deep research before investing. For whole information, watch the video till the end. That's very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site. Facts. Let's start the video.
What is Prime XBT? Prime XBT is a standout, Bitcoin-based edge exchanging stage that offers moment admittance to over 30+ resources, including crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, EOS, Forex, commodities, metals, oil, gas, and indices. The trade was established in 2018 and right now serves customers in excess of 150 nations. If you want to visit the site, link in the description box. Is Prime XBT genuine? Taking everything into account, Prime XBT offers all the highlights of an edge exchanging trade, and it has been fully operational for 1 year. Prime XBT is genuine and serving a large number of crypto merchants consistently. Nonetheless, Prime XBT isn't controlled for the time being. Is Prime XBT managed? Be careful, Prime XBT is a non-regulated agent. It isn't safe to exchange. Prime XBT is a Bitcoin-based stage, offering over 30+ resources including crypto, Forex, commodities, and stock indices. How would I use Prime XBT? 1. Create a record. Head to primexbt.com and snap register, or utilize our outside reference, create account. 2. Fund your record. To begin exchanging on Prime XBT, you will initially need to store some Bitcoin. 3. Place a request. Whenever you've moved a few assets to your exchanging account, you're prepared to begin exchanging. Is Prime XBT safe? Prime XBT trading. The exchanging stage is a top-tier alternative as it is protected, dependable, and quick. The outlining apparatuses are especially valuable with different diagram types, a scope of drawing devices and pointers, and the choice of exchanging directly from the graph. Prime XBT additionally offers exceptionally low exchanging expenses. Would you be able to utilize Prime XBT in America? Prime XBT has merchants from more than 150 unique nations. Notwithstanding, given certain guidelines, there are a few nations that they don't acknowledge brokers from. These incorporate any semblance of the USA, the area of Quebec in Canada, and a couple of others. Prime XBT exchanging stage term. Be one stride ahead and improve your exchanging results with our industry-driving innovation. 1. Best agent. Best crypto and Forex broker. Forex awards. 2. Best stage. Best platform for margin trading. ADVFN International Financial Awards. Why us? Exchange with the best. 1. Prime XBT has gotten various worldwide honors for giving unrivaled internet exchanging administrations universally. Begin exchanging. Find new chances. 2. We furnish our customers with the most inventive items and admittance to a wide scope of business sectors. Singular business sectors. Increment productivity. 3. Benefit from low expenses, quick request execution, and progressed stage highlights to build your benefit. Open free record. Appreciate protection and security. Our foundation is intended to ensure assets and individual information better. Your security consistently starts things out. I hope you all like the video. If you get more interesting videos of online earning, to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to share and smash the bell icon. Please think before investing in crypto. There is a high risk in investment. Gain more knowledge and research before investment. Good luck.